like at the end, I just colored some of it for my own.
This is our sample. This is the example of what it looks like. We hold it up here so the camera can see better. Woo! There's a sailboat. Okay, Jackson, what are the things that we need?
We need popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks, okay.
And scissors. And paper.
And you need an adult to help you with the hot glue gun. Yep. Okay, so you'll need enough to be as long as these sticks, and you'll need 2 sticks to go across. So we're going to take this glue and we're going to glue a line, except it's not working because it looks like, oh, there we go. We're going to glue a line of hot glue across that, and we're going to take this stick.
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
And make sure everything's kind of in a
Hello,
line.
Hello,
And lay it on it. Okay, and then we want to do another strip of glue right across there.
Touch not it on your hand.
Yep. Stay safe. Okay? And then we're going to push this on like this. Okay, so now we have the base part of your boat. Okay, so now what you want to do is we are going to put in your mast, because we want to make sure it's a sailboat, right? And sailboats have sails. And you have to have a mast, right? So this part takes a little bit of time. So you'll actually put the glue on and kind of let it dribble down so you get a puddle of glue down at the bottom. And then we just let it sit there until it dries up. So next you need to get your paper and your scissors, and if you're good with scissors, then you do it. If not, let your parents help you. And we are going to cut out a sail for the sailboat. Okay, so how do you want it to look? Do you want it to be a triangle? Do you want it to be like Sadie's, where it's kind of a rectangle?
No, I want it to be a triangle, just as a shape.
Okay, yes, it is a shape. Good job. All right. We're gonna try Are you ready? And here. How's that? Good? See if it fits? All right, next you will put some glue on your triangle, and my glue stick is not wanting to work, so let's just push that in there. All right, there we go. Oh, do you want me to get that part? Did I miss a spot? Right here. Okay. All right, now we're going to take this sail and we're going to put it right. I might have gotten too much glue on there. I'm going to put it right on top of here. Press it down, and voila, you have a sailboat.
And if you want to, you can color it.
Yes, you can definitely color it.
I want to color it.
Okay, that sounds good. And that's how you make a sailboat. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Where? Oh my gosh, it's right there.